Hello everyone. Today I will record a video to introduce the automatic Prepress solution to produce a large number of customized water labels. Due to the exploration of personalized consumption, the customized label water is a fast emerging business, especially with the push of e-commerce. When more and more orders come in, how to do the Prepress efficiently and automatically is very important. Otherwise, you will waste a lot of time and the capacity of production. Facing this challenge, Haiyaa has the solution using its mature VDP and smart gain imposition technologies. Here I introduce the whole solution step by step. There are two big steps. Step 1 is to produce the sandwich PDF. Step 2 is gain imposition to produce the final PDF. If the customer wants to use adhesive label, past step 1, go to the step 2 directly. If the sandwich PDF is already prepared, pass step 1 and go to step 2 directly. You can see the slide. The picture is a real job. It's a screen capture from the Taobao. My title in this PPT is how to produce the customized water label efficiently and automatically. It's a real case connecting to e-commerce. So as you know, the e-commerce brings in a new business model for short-term label. We feel in recent years more and more short-term label business. Short-term label means there are many kinds of label, but its quantity is not long run. It's a short run, small quantity. In China, there's a big e-commerce portal. The name is Taobao. So you can see the screen capture. It's a screen capture from Taobao. So the label producer does not sell the label. Instead, they sell water. So it's a new concept. It's not a pure print producer, label producer. It's a water producer. There are many things need to prepare. The first is artwork, the artwork preparation. There are two ways. One way is the brand owner provides the artwork by self. The label producer don't need to prepare. The second way is the label producer or the water producer design the artwork for the brand owner. There are several things we need to consider. The first is the quantity. The quantity need to make up the number or the amount. What's the purpose? The purpose is it's easy to get to do the gain imposition. Of course, if you're using Haiyaa, theoretically it can be any number. The first thing. The second thing is for the easy combination or gain imposition, we define several types of label size. So the second is several label size to be chosen. Not many, not any size, several label size. The third thing is we focus on two substrates. One is adhesive, the other is transparent. Transparent, most of one's sandwich printing style is about artwork preparation. About original data, there are two files we need to prepare. The first is artwork PDF. The second, Excel order. About the artwork PDF, the brand owner only provides the front side. Of course, if the artwork is prepared or designed by the label producer only design the front side. Of course, the back side can be customized too, but for easy setting or for the gain position or for many other reasons, the label producer or the water producer always like to design several existing templates. This template PDF has different grid scale for choice. For example, if the front side, the color is dark, the grid scale in the backside template is dark. If it is light, the background, the template is light. That means in this way, the whole job, the whole label looks fine, looks clear. This is about the artwork. The second is Excel. There are many orders from the Taobao, from the e-commerce portal. So we need to integrate order together. There are example file. In this example file, there are at least 3 columns. The first column, the first field name, is the file name of the artwork PDF. The second is background, the template PDF file name. Here, we can choose the black 30, 50, and 80. These files is prepared in advance. And the third column is about quantity, security Y, you can see. So the Excel file need to prepare or integrate it in advance. If we need to print sandwich PDF, the first step, I show you how to produce the sandwich PDF automatically and efficiently. In Haiyaa side, if you want to produce sandwich PDF automatically, we need two software. First is Haiyaa core platform VDP software, VariPrint as a core platform. If you want make the whole workflow smoothly using the hot folder, you need to use another software, Haiyaa WebConnector. Haiyaa WebConnector is a file manager using the hot folder format. You can see A and B as example. It's a sandwiched effect. So how to produce? I'll show you the operation. WebConnect, open it. It's a file manager. So I define the job in this job list in advance. That means using the VariPrint, the version and the category name, and the MPD file is a VariPrint project file, and the input folder and the output folder. Output folder is the input folder of gain imposition. Keep in mind, I set two job setting for different size. So you can you can add or edit many job and add this setting into the job list. Okay? Click Start to let WebConnector stand by. Go back. For example, there are two databases. Sandwich printing, nothing. Sandwich printing PDF folder, nothing. So we drag this data into the hot folder and drag another data, different label, different size label. So I drag this database to the input hot folder, this hot folder. Okay. You can drag one by one or drag together. Of course, there's a time difference. Haiyaa can differentiate what is first job coming. We will process the first job, then second job. Okay, so go to the sandwich PDF. The first job is finish, and the second job, wait, finish. So we go to the first output folder, sandwich file name. You can define file name freely. For example, I open a file. I just let you see the sandwich effect. So it's a B label. So hide the spot color. You see the font size. Hide and the white ink. And see the background. Background is mirroring. I show you. Original data is like this. Example, origin data. Origin data is like this. It's Chinese. So you can see the first character, the second character, the 350 ml in this way. But after sandwich effect processing, you see the different. So hide the front side, hide the white ink. You can see the background template PDF is mirroring. Mirroring and overprint, all of things is done by the background VariPrint. WebConnector is just a file manager, so you can see the background, the content is mirrored. So the first job is ready, and let's see the second job. Second job, we for demonstration, I just change the size. Change the size. Okay. So the second job is finished. Then we go to the step 2. Step to do the gain imposition. That means combine these labels together according to each quantity. The gain imposition is managed by TIConnector. I open this software. The same idea as WebConnector. It's a file manager. So we in advance we set up the job In this job, we tell we need to end the get in position configuration file, the job file configuration, and the input folder and output folder. So all of these things, the same idea as the web connect, yeah, and this configure into the job list. So the same way, start, let the TI connector standby. Okay, first, second action the operator need to do is drag the data to the TIConnector hot folder, input hot folder. Yep. Because we have two different layout styles. So I drag the first job and I drag the second job. So let's wait. Nothing in the output folder. But maybe after 1 minute, we can get the final PDF. Go to the PDF. So the final PDF by getting position. The core platform is TIConnector R. R means low. In Haiyaa side, we have two versions of TIConnector. One name is Haiyaa TIConnector, another name is Haiyaa TIConnector R. The first TIConnector is for hand tag, for sheet fed, and the TIConnector R is for low to low, for WebPress. All of this is called get in position software. So it's the background engine, and same as the web connector, we use in Haiyaa TIConnector to manage the TIConnector job. Same idea. Okay, let's go back. The first job is done. Data one. It's the in position, get in position PDF. So we open the output preview. As you see, it's a sandwich printing. Yeah. So different label combined together. So we can see the white ink, and we can see the different grayscale background content together. And the important is we can end iMark automatically. Of course, we set up the iMark setting in the configuration file. So here you can see the iMark is ended. And the position bar, a black bar here, and the color strip, and the in position remark. They will tell you the page size. The page size, the width is fixed. The height we will calculate automatically to get a maximum length. Although we set up for 980 mm, but final job is 58.2 millimeter because the label height and the gap is different for different jobs. So we calculate automatically. And it will tell you how many pieces of label per page. In this job, 19 piece of label, and the total page number and the current page. Also, and the date of the job generation. And important in our getting position, we have two another kinds of label. One kind of label we call it separation label. Here is separation label. So we can define the background color. And important, we have two elements. One is QR code, another is text description. So all of QR code and the text description you can set freely. For example, here we set the job name, file name, quantity. You can include this information into the QR code or test here. I call it separation label. This is one kind of label we ended. And another important, easy sorting and easy die cutting and finishing. We end another kinds of label like this. We call it summary label. So at the end of the PDF, we have another these kinds of labels together. They tell you what kinds of labels in this column. For example, in the number 6 column, there are maybe the 5E from the page 1 to page 9, the piece, how many pieces in this column for for E, and for different for F, yeah, for this for F label from the 9 to 52, how many pieces? It's a summary label. It's useful for the sorting, die cutting, and the finish. And let operators know in this column it includes how many labels or which labels are in this column. Okay, go back. So the final PDF is produced less than 1 minute. Finish. We have another Imposition PDF generated. I show you. Yeah, it's a different label, different label. So you can see the different label combined together. The first come out. We just drag the Excel file into the hot folder, into the Get Imposition software hot folder. Final job, the final import PDF generated automatically. The same remarks and I marks and the imposition marks separation label ended automatically. Okay, go back to PPT. So here I give a summary and a comparison with the Haiyaa solution and the third-party solution. I just tell you, many label producers using the older way, they always using these 3 steps to produce the final PDF. The first one is manual calculation and impose different label into one low PDF. They will combine the same size, double time size, or the triple time size together in this way. So first they will calculate manually and combine one piece, one piece, one piece together into a one low PDF. So the first step. So in this step, more time. If there's many labels, it takes more time to calculate and combine. In this way, maybe it is not the economical way. The second step is using another software, third-party software. They will transform one low PDF without sandwich to sandwich, one PDF, one low PDF to one low PDF, one by one, using software. In this software, they cannot bench processing just one by one manually. Of course, more time if there's many labels. The step 3 is sandwich PDF, one low PDF is finished. You need to step and repeat. You need to calculate again and send the PDF to the RIP site. There is a function for step and repeat. It's a popular use features or functions in the RIP site. So it's a third step. Calculate and step and repeat number manually and impose one low sandwich PDF into the final PDF using RIP site imposition function or features. If more one low labels need to impose to take more time, there's also a limitation of QTY, and each label they need to make up to some amount or some number. Otherwise, will lead to waste, right? Of course, take more time. Again, in Haiyaa side, I show you just now. The first step to do the sandwich PDF generation using Haiyaa WebConnector plus Haiyaa VariPrint to generate the sandwich PDF one by one, fully automatically, very fast. You see just now. We're testing about 20 to 30 kinds of labels to generate sandwich PDF, so mostly less than 1 minute. Second step is using Haiyaa TIConnector plus Haiyaa TAGImposer R to generate the final Get Imposition PDF. Same, less than 1 minute. So in Haiyaa solution, the total time is 2 to 3 minutes theoretically, very fast. Some customers will ask, we have many kinds of label Get Imposition. I can say also very fast, just end 2 or 3 minutes. The second, the advantage of Haiyaa solution is using hot folder generation style. So the operation need to do, the only action is drag the Excel file to the hot folder to generate the sandwich PDF and drag the Excel file to the hot folder to generate Get Imposition PDF. Just drag the Excel. So it's easy. All processing is done at the background. Once the job configuration setting is correct, we can guarantee the final result is correct. And because we're using smart algorithm, Get Imposition processing, so we can combine different size label together in economical way. So we can save paper and finishing. That's the whole process demonstration. If you have any question, you can leave a message to us or email to Haiyaa. Thank you.